Okay, so getting ready to go up on the roof takes some time, and you really want to make sure you have pretty much everything you need. So I think I'm ready. I have sunglasses, I put some suntan lotion on, I have my music, I have my harness, and the harnesses are, I like them to fit kind of snug. I have my tie-off rope. I put the lanyard part up towards the top, so as soon as I hook it in, I can hook it to my back. I could have hooked that up now, maybe. Maybe I'll do that before I go to the very top. I also have my screw gun on a rope around my neck, and I have my hammer, I have some screws, I have my bits, I also have my Wonder Bar, which is wedged in here. Hopefully it'll stay in where it is. So the more hands-free you can be, the better. It really does, it helps. I also have my gloves, and my ladders are secure, so I think I'm ready to go. I hate it when I get up there and forget one thing. So, and I have my tie-off bracket. Now, hopefully we'll be able to, I probably should throw some nails in case I need to nail some boards first. Yeah, I'm going to go in and get some nails, some 12 penny coated, because I may need to do some nailing. I'm also, the other thing I'm going to look for during the tie-off process is I need to do the venter ridge. So that'll be another thing to do, but I need the tie-off first, and I need the board secure. So I'm going to go grab some nails, and then we're going to go up. I'm not sure if I'm going to videotape. I'm kind of afraid to take my phone up there because it could easily get broke. So I think that's going to stay down here. Later on, I'll go up and I'll review what we did. Okay, get some nails, and I think I'm ready to go.